Welcome back, dear YouTubers. This wonderful Sunday. Quite cloudy, not that much. Sun playing hide and seek. I see you. Today's update is gonna be about my 10-watt solar LEDs that I originally had set up for the storage area and the bathroom area. So just a few updates here and there. Let's make our way to the battery bank first. This little guy is still doing what he's supposed to. 3 18650 batteries. This was originally, or at least on the back cover, a 6000 milliampere setup, salvaged. It found a new home with me, yours truly. Battery was upgraded or downgraded, but the results, I love what I see now, especially now that I removed the extra 5-watt LEDs from the bathroom. They were in pairs and now it's just one, so now we actually sit with basically 4 LEDs, and it's performing very well. The only thing I still don't like about this charge controller is the fact that actually a few 25, 50, 75, 100%. Controller is quite old. Let me see if it can pick up on that. Oh, there we go. 25%, 50%, 75, 100. It doesn't really say much. It doesn't show how much power flows in. It doesn't show how much power is flowing out. And the separate LCD voltage display, it's very accurate. I actually just had it soldered there. So it doesn't, the controller itself, it's quite outdated, but thank God there's better controllers that came out to the market. The MOSFETs at the back of this, it got really hot when it reached around 2 amps during a test I had back in the day. Those 2 solar panels on the roof, which is connected to it, 10 watts, they produce maximum 1.6 to 1.7 amperes. So this charge controller should never burn out in that context. So I don't know, just 10 amperes, I don't agree with that, but this charge controller, it's still useful and it does exactly what I'm expecting it to do for the setup. The setup normally is inside this container box. It's just for the purpose of making this video. This little guy down there is a 7 ampere battery. Actually gets to live off the excess energy that this battery can't hold in. And we're moving now from winter into autumn, or is that summer? I'm not really good at that. Those seasons for me, every day is a blessing, so make the most out of it. So let's quickly check out if there were any updates I made with LED lights. Oh, before I go, it's on. Okay. Okay, we're under the roof. Those lights are still not bright enough for the purpose of this video. I love this potentiometer, 100K potentiometer with a 15mm shaft. Let's make it bright for this purpose. Much better. Let's continue. These lights have served me very well, and if I had the option of choosing between, let's say, off-the-shelf solar panel with the box containing the charge controller, the battery, you know those customs, I'm sure you came across them, either on Amazon or some other online store. If I had to choose between that and choosing what I have right now, this, I would say I'm very thankful I didn't get a proper off-the-shelf system back in the day, because that probably would have kept me from pursuing my passion for solar energy and all the many benefits it offers. Imagine, if you will, that photons from a humble solar panel can actually fire up an LED light like that and propel vehicles up to speeds of excess of 120 kilometers an hour. Still get goosebumps whenever I think of that. Thank you for watching till the end. See you guys in the next one.